At the time of recording this video, Dogecoin is worth 30 cents. Now, hopefully, by the time you watch this video, the bubble has already popped without too many people getting hurt. Now, I have mixed feelings about Dogecoin. On one hand, I think it's funny. I think what Elon Musk is doing is hilarious. And also, thanks to Dogecoin, many people are coming into the crypto ecosystem and they're talking about wallets and they're going to look into other coins and it's good for adoption. But on the other hand, Dogecoin is attracting the kind of people that just want to gamble. And those are the people that are super easily scammed. Also, Dogecoin makes this whole industry look like a joke. It makes it look like it's run by 14-year-olds with credit cards. Now, just to be clear, Dogecoin is not a scam. A scam usually means that people are lying to you about the real value of something. But in the case of Dogecoin, the team of developers and the community have always been honest with us. Dogecoin is a joke coin. It was made to be not taken seriously. It's all about the memes. Now, I'm not saying don't buy Dogecoin. I'm saying do whatever you want as long as you do your research and as long as you are self-aware. For example, I don't know if you knew this, but Dogecoin is an infinite currency. There are 14 million Dogecoins being printed every day. That's crazy compared to, for example, Bitcoin, where in Bitcoin there is a maximum amount of Bitcoins forever of 21 million. But we can't use Bitcoin, can we? I mean, it's really slow, 5 transactions maximum per second, and also is very eco-unfriendly. It wastes so much energy, like I told you on the previous video. So what's the alternative between a cryptocurrency like Dogecoin, which is a joke, and something so slow and so eco-unfriendly like Bitcoin? 안녕하십니까? 니콜라스입니다, and welcome to the video number 8. Wow, it's been 2 months. That's insane. Of this series where I'm talking about crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, and all this industry for developers and beginners. Thank you so much for being here. If you're enjoying this series so far, consider leaving a like and subscribing. It really helps support the channel. On the last video, we talked about the problems of the crypto industry from the government regulation point of view and from the scamming and cheating point of view. On this video, we're going to talk about the technical problems, what developers care about: speed, scalability, programming languages, all that. And also, we have an announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to know. Now, Bitcoin is a first-generation blockchain. A first-generation blockchain is a blockchain that uses proof of work to secure itself. The goal of Bitcoin was to be internet money that nobody could hack. Now, did they succeed? Yes, they did. But Bitcoin uses proof of work to secure the network, as we saw on previous video. Now, proof of work requires your computer to work in order to secure the network and to get rewards from the network. But this work usually comes in the form of electricity from your computer. And the more the network grows, the more energy it needs and the more it damages the environment. Now, you could make the point that Bitcoin is eco-friendly or will be eco-friendly once everything is running on solar energy, and that might be true. But that's not the case right now. Like, for example, China last week had a blackout on one of the coal mines. They had a mine, that mine got shut down, and with that shutdown of that mine, Bitcoin lost 30% of its hash rate. China is responsible for 50% of the hash rate of Bitcoin network. So for Bitcoin to be really eco-friendly, you will have to take, for example, these coal mines in China and replace them with solar energy. Also, maybe proof of work is not that decentralized and that safe if most of the hash rate, more than 50% of that, would be located only in one country that has cheap electricity and cheap electronics. So, to conclude, Bitcoin is the most successful and secure cryptocurrency out there. It's the most valuable as well, but this comes at the cost of being slow and energy inefficient. It's also not programmable. We cannot do anything with it. The only thing we can do is send it between each other. It's boring, sort of like gold. We can't have DeFi or NFTs on Bitcoin. It's just not possible. Now, second generation cryptocurrencies are the ones that introduce the concept of smart contracts. We talked about smart contracts before, and as we know, there isn't only one cryptocurrency with smart contracts. There are actually many of them, very different, but the one that is the most famous one is Ethereum. Ethereum was started by people that wanted to do more with Bitcoin but couldn't. The reason why they couldn't is because Bitcoin is not designed to be updated. And also the developers of Bitcoin don't want to update the way the network works. Bitcoin is designed to run as is running right now forever. It's sort of like gold, really. But now Ethereum had one more goal on top of Bitcoin's goal. Ethereum wants to be a world shared computer, a programmable, unhackable, shared backend, where humans encode can interact, create, lock, do whatever they want with coins. Now this creates other problems, and that is that if we can build things on top of Ethereum, for example, that means that the network is going to be very, very busy, because we don't only send and receive money like on Bitcoin, we can also create an NFT marketplace on top of Ethereum, or a decentralized exchange, or a DeFi farm, or a blockchain-based video game. Now all that will have to be on top of the Ethereum network, and that will make it super busy. Now, this congested network makes Ethereum have crazy transaction fees sometimes. Like for example, right now, as of today, if you wanted to send me $30 in the Ethereum network, you would have to pay $30 of transaction fees. That's insane. Another problem that Ethereum and Bitcoin have is the fact that they cannot talk to each other. Actually, they can talk to anybody. There is no interoperability between blockchains, and blockchains should be able to talk to each other. Now, maybe you're wondering, why should blockchains talk to each other? Well, the answer to this is because right now, as you can see, we have an immense amount of coins. We have an immense amount of blockchain, and it's very unrealistic to expect one coin to win everybody and to be the only coin that we will use. Now, some coins are good as a store of value, other coins are good for privacy, other coins are good for speed, other ones are stable coins. Now, as you can see, this means that we're going to end up with an immense amount of coins. Now, this means that blockchains should be able to talk to each other. Imagine if somebody told you that if you use Gmail, you cannot send an email to Hotmail, for example. That doesn't happen. The reason why all these email things can talk to each other is because they all implement the same protocol, and it has to be the same with blockchain. Now, the last problem of Ethereum to discuss is the programming language that it uses. If you want to make a smart contract, you are going to have to learn the Ethereum programming language, and that is Solidity. Solidity is not a hard programming language to make. It looks like TypeScript, actually, but it does have some disadvantages. First of all, it's a new language, and it will be better for adoption and for developer interest if we could write contracts, let's say, in programming languages that we like, let's say Go, Rust, Haskell, WebAssembly. These languages don't only have bigger communities, which will be good for Ethereum and the crypto ecosystem, but also they have standards, they have best practices, they also are safer and more secure. Keep in mind that the programming language that we choose to write a smart contract is very important, because a smart contract should be really safe. So if we really want governments or stock markets or very big official institutions to consider running on crypto or doing things with the blockchain, we need to build these things in programming languages that could be formally verified, tested, or have an industry behind them. Not something super new as Solidity, for example. Mr. Vitalik Buterin, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, came up with something called the scalability trilemma, which is like a triangle, like this. On this trilemma are three properties that cryptocurrencies should have: scalability or speed, decentralization, and security. The problem is that, according to him, a cryptocurrency can only have two of those. You can be decentralized and secure, but you will be slow, let's say, like for example, Bitcoin. Or you can be secure and scalable, but that means that you're not gonna be decentralized. So that would be like a cryptocurrency controlled by a company that they can just turn it off anytime they want. Or you can be scalable and decentralized, but maybe that means that you are not going to be so secure. But this was a long time ago, and there are some cryptocurrencies that disagree. There are people that believe you can have scalable, fast, decentralized, and secure cryptocurrencies, and those are called third-generation blockchains. Now, Ethereum is transitioning to become a third-generation cryptocurrency as well. They're currently updating Ethereum to version number 2, where Ethereum is going to use 99.98% less energy than before, and it will give them the ability to process between 25,000 and 100,000 transactions per second. So everybody is really expectant on Ethereum 2.0. So, on the following video, we are going to explore the world of the third generation cryptocurrencies. Finally, the stage has been set, and now our players can come in. Now, I've been getting many comments asking me if I'm going to launch NicoCoin or if I'm going to make an Ethereum smart contract NFT course. The answer to this is yes, but not on the way you think. I'm not going to make any Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, Cardano course yet, and the reason why is because I do not believe on any blockchain platform so far. I believe that this industry is so far in like an alpha state, not even beta yet, in alpha. Things are still breaking, things are changing, and things are not just good enough. So this is why I'm not making these kind of courses. Now, let's talk about NicoCoin. I'm also not going to launch NicoCoin, but instead what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how you can launch your own cryptocurrency. Today we're launching a course where you are going to learn how to create your own cryptocurrency by implementing things like, for example, peer-to-peer transactions, blockchain of course, mining with proof of work, wallets, all that stuff in the Go programming language. So I'm not launching my own coin, I'm launching a course that teaches you how to make a coin. I think that to understand something, you need to build it yourself. So this is what this course does. We don't talk about any platform, we don't use Ethereum or whatever that is. We just do our own coin to understand the basics and to implement everything using the beautiful, awesome, sexy Go programming language. This course is for educational purposes only, of course. We're not going to learn how to put our coin in an exchange to make the next Dogecoin. No, it's only to understand Bitcoin and crypto and everything from the inside. So check out the link on the description if that's something you're interested in, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be happy today. Don't forget to eat kimchi. 감사합니다. 사랑해요. See you on the next one. Proof of stake coming up. Bye bye.